bed hair. Now, do I rush this because these are expensive, or do I comb my bed hair correctly? Only one answer to this. How to look after a hair system when you disco dance at night, when the quality hair systems are expensive. This is what I always do. And seriously, everybody, this is what you have to do. It's not very impressive doing this in front of a new girlfriend. But you can see how gentle I'm doing this. Then I leave in a conditioner. This helps get through. So I've used the Harmony. He's wearing Harmony. That used to be an old advert. I literally cake my system like this. And now I do this, brush it gently. Now if you think of all the cover-ups we used to do, with the mainspray fibres and the Bobby Charlton, this isn't asking too much, is it? So literally, if you copy what I do, you won't be spending as much money. Now my auditor will say, what are you doing, Phil? Telling people this. Well, I appreciate that. I know what a pound coin is still. The day I don't is a day I stop. So, look after your pound coins. So then I do this, just to get a bit of body around the back. Then I do this, and I actually do it in 2 stages, because I get this styled, and I'm doing this here, and I'm not actually touching the system. Look. So I like these paddle brushes. Oh. The only problem with this is if you put product in your hair, you get it in your eyes. And you can see I'm being really gentle. Have a quick look. Well, that's getting a lot better, isn't it? And then what I do then is I leave it to dry, and then I'll restyle it again.